Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winn and you are tuned into Cooking with Winn. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Liberian style spaghetti. So for my spaghetti today, I'll be using 1 box of spaghetti, habanero pepper, 1 garlic, 1 cup of vegetable oil, bell peppers, onion, tomato paste, boiled eggs. So right now the egg is raw. I'll be boiling it and then add it to the spaghetti later. And I'll be adding some shrimp. So for the shrimp, it's optional. If you're allergic to seafood, you can skip the shrimp, or if you don't want to add shrimp at all, you don't have to, okay? And I'll be adding some hot dogs, and I'm also going to be adding some kielbasa or kielbasa sausage. The sausage that's in this bag, this is how it looks, okay? And that's the same brand I'm using. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to make my Liberian style spaghetti today. If you want to learn how to make this meal, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention, so these are the seasoning I'll be using: adobo, black pepper, salt, and 1 vita cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? So what I'm going to do first is put my eggs on the stove and let it cook. And I'll put my spaghetti water on the stove as well. So for the spaghetti, I'll just be adding some salt into the water. I have salt here, just sprinkle a little bit into the water. And I'm also going to be adding some extra virgin olive oil into the water. So this just helps the pasta not to stick together, the oil. And the salt just gives the pasta or the spaghetti a little bit of flavor. So now that I have my spaghetti water on the fire and I have my eggs on the stove, I'm going to go ahead and prep my ingredients for my sauce. So I'll just cut these. I'll be blending this, so I'm not going to cut it I'm not going to cut it in a fancy way. And I'll be using my bullets. Now I add my veggie, my habanero pepper. Now go ahead and blend these. And now add the remaining onions and my garlic. By doing the garlic like that, it's just easier to remove the skin. And I'll add my 1 vita cube into this and blend it with it. Alright guys, so I have my peppers, my onion, my vita cube, and my garlic in here all blend. I will set this aside and I will cut my sausages. But before I start cutting my sausages, I'm gonna go ahead and take my pot that I'll be making my sauce in. I will take the pot to the stove. So I have my pot on the stove. I'm gonna wait for it to get hot. Once it's hot, I'll be adding my oil. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and cut my sausages. So if you don't want to use this sausage, you just want to use hot dog, you can go ahead. Look guys, you can mix and match your ingredients. You can replace some of these ingredients with whatever you prefer. You really don't have to use exactly what I'm using, but I mean, like, it's your food, just play with it, okay? If you don't want hot dogs, you don't have to add a hot dog. You don't want a shrimp, do not add a shrimp either, okay? And I'll just cut these, and I'll just remove the tail from the shrimp. Now I'll go ahead and add my oil to the pot. So my sausages are all ready and my shrimp is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and test my oil to see if it's ready. If my oil is ready, I'm gonna be frying my pepper and onion mixture. Alright, so I have my oil on the stove. I think it's ready. I'll just test it by adding a little bit of the blended pepper into the oil. Yep, it's ready. So I'm gonna just let this fry for 5 minutes and I'll be adding in my seasoning, my sausages, and my tomato paste. I'll be adding black pepper, just a little bit. Now adding some adobo. And now adding my tomato paste. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of water. I'm gonna add in a little more. I'll add in my sausages now. And I'll add in my shrimp. So I have my sausages in here along with my shrimp. I'm just gonna stir them, and then I will let them cook for a few minutes. Come back, check them, and taste them. I'll add a little more water. So I'll cover this and let it cook for 7 minutes, and then I'll check on it later. Alright, my pasta water is ready. I'm going to be breaking this into half. I'll just add it to the water. I'll just stir them. So I'll just let this cook. Once it's ready, I'll add it into my sauce. So I have my spaghetti on. I have my eggs cooking back here. And I'll be checking on my sauce. So I'm gonna taste it to see if it's seasoned. Yep, it's just perfect. So I will cover this and let it finish cooking. I just need the water to dry a little bit. And once my pasta is ready, I'll be adding it into the sauce. So for the sauce, you don't want the sauce to dry off completely, because you want the spaghetti to have a little bit of sauce, kind of like a watery sauce on it, so it don't look too dry. Everything looks good. I'm just waiting my spaghetti to be done and my eggs to be ready. Once they both are ready, I'll add them into the sauce and we're gonna be good. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be checking on my spaghetti. So you want it to cook, but you don't want it to cook really soft. You just want it to be just, how they can call it, they can say al dente, al dente. So test it. If it breaks apart or if it match in your hand like this, that means it's ready. For mine, I'm gonna just let it cook a few more minutes before adding it to my sauce, because it's still a little hard. So I'll give it a few more minutes. I'm gonna check on my spaghetti. I think by now it's ready. Yep, it is ready. So I'll be turning my stove off so you can drain it over the sink, but I have my sauce right here, so I'm gonna just do this and make it quicker. Once you have your spaghetti all drained, you can add it to your sauce. So I'll add this to my sauce, and I'll just use my thumb to mix the sauce and the spaghetti together. You see how the sauce is? That's what I said, do not dry your sauce all the way. You want your spaghetti to be saucy. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get my boiled eggs ready and add it to this. Alright, y'all, so I have my boiled eggs here all peeled and ready to go into this. I'm just gonna mix it. So I will turn my stove off because I don't want my sauce to drag off of this. So the sauce is perfectly fine, just how I like it. Alright, y'all, so this is it, Liberian style spaghetti. We are at the final stage. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment if you have any question or concern. And do not forget to check out my other YouTube channel. It's called All Things Winn. I will leave the link in the description box, and I will leave the name on the screen here. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.